Safety is something people don't think about every day. It's extremely important to consider these things. Security drives stability, and that in turn drives growth.
I'm a mom of 3 boys. They're still very small, so obviously the safety and security of my kids are extremely important for me.
We need to protect our belongings, we need to protect our loved ones, we need to protect our businesses. And this is why we are here.
I've been working on and off for Instacom for 15 years. It's a family. When we started, we were 14 people working at the company. I think I was the 14th employee. I think we're on 150 now. It's a family. We haven't lost that.
Everyone is valued, whether you are in an entry-level position or a director. Everyone is treated the same.
Even though I'm quite early in my career, what stuck to me at Instacom was the family. And that's something that initially pulled me in, but now has kept me there long after.
It's important to be in a relationship with people that understand you and actually cares about you. So Instacom is an awesome company.
We're extremely blessed to be part of a company like Instacom who actually care about the people and not just about the skills that you bring to the table.